So when you enter from the door, this is what you're welcomed with. It's basically my bed and my work table you're going to see, and then my wardrobe is to my left and my shoe rack, and then I have a shelf here. So yes, I'm going to walk in and start showing you guys everything. So first off, I have this is my bed headboard, like the headboard for my bed. Initially my bed was this way, but I changed it to that way because I don't know, I just felt it was way better, and the headboard was covering the heater, so it was just weird. Anyways, I just put it here because I have no other place to put it. It's just behind my door, so that's there. This is my work table. I love how I can call it my work table, but anyways, I recently added these to my room. I just have some pens there, my laptop, the laptop charger, a speaker, my planner, hard drive, my phone is charging. And then beside the table, I actually love this table because of these shelves here. Beside the table, I have my books and my planners and my journal, and then my Bible and my school books as well. And then underneath there, I have a piggy bank, my lint roller, and some wipes and tissue, just, you know, in case of anything. And then I have my adapter there to charge my laptop with it. And then I just got one of the chairs from the dining table, and it sort of matches my curtain, so that was what I loved, or that was what I like about this chair actually. And I'm not ready to buy a new chair for my work table yet. This is serving its purpose, so yeah. So then after my work table, it's directly at the bottom of my bed, and this is my bed. It's just, I think it's not a single bed and it's not a double bed, it's like the middle. I don't know, I think I'll put the measurements in the video here. So this is the bed. Yep, I usually have all white bed sheets, or this, I'm trying to get a gray bed sheet next. So that's my curtain and my window over there. I would show you the view, but it's already dark. And to my left, or at the top of my bed, I have this coat that I made. Well, I always see the quotes around, but I actually loved it. But I actually made this myself. It says everything you want is waiting for you on the other side of consistency. So this is what everything you want is waiting on the other side of consistency. So yes, that's it. Or beside my bed is this rug. I have two rugs. There's the rectangular one and this heart-shaped one. This is so corny, but there's a story behind that. Anyways, moving on. That's the rug right in front of my bed, and then to the left I just keep my I just keep my camera tripod, my ring light tripod. I have two of those, and then I also have my camera tripod. So yes, that's it. And there's a tissue there. I know I left it there. And yeah, this is my wardrobe. My wardrobe is really small. I've been contemplating getting a new one, but I've just been like, okay, if I get a new one, I'm going to start buying so many stuff, and I'm trying to live on a minimal life, or live a minimalist life. Hi. So anyways, this is my wardrobe. Should I open it? I just have like my tops. I love white. I don't know if you've noticed from the video. I wish I filmed this when my bed sheets were white, so you guys would understand that I actually truly love white. So I have a bunch of white t-shirts. I just folded there. Here is like the section for my t-shirts, my bodysuits, camisoles and whatnot. It's right here. And then here it's the second batch. It's my shorts, my skirts, my dresses, like really long dresses and all that whatnot, you know. I just leave them there. And then down here I keep my bags, all of my bags, and my camera bag as well. It's there, two of them. And then I keep my other bags. And below, underneath here, is down there is my wigs. You can see the mannequin head there. I would keep it under my bed, but I'm just too lazy. And then some of my other bags, I have like a bunch of black bags. I don't know why. I should get more colors of bags. Anyways, yeah. And this is just like my caps that I have. I stopped wearing caps. I usually wear them in the summer. So yeah, so this is the bags, dresses, skirts, shorts, jumpsuits and whatnot, and all my tops. Not all of them, but that's what I keep there. And then next is the main wardrobe. I just put my winter tops, my normal denim, my white formal clothes, and then my dresses, formal dresses, and then just some things I wear at home. I usually wear this top, and that's my robe. And then down there is my pants, basically my trousers, jeans, anything I wear below my abdomen. Yes, that's it. Now I'm going to move down to the drawers. I have 2 drawers in my wardrobe. Here I keep my underwears, my beanies, my scarves, my whatever, like, you know, the tiny thing, my bikinis and everything. It's in here, and in here is just like a normal storage space. I'm not going to open my underwears for you guys, that's just weird. It's just a normal storage space. This is my hair scalp massager, and then I put my glasses there as well, the wallet I'm not using, a tape measure just in case, and then I have my beauty blenders there, and a wristwatch. This is my earpiece. Yeah, I'm just going to move that away. My lashes, some jewelries, and some painkillers and medication, and then phone cases. Guys, I didn't buy all of this. So my friends had like I use an iPhone 7, and my friends had like iPhone 8 and iPhone 7, and they changed their phone. So basically I inherited all of this. Okay, I didn't buy them. I'm not a phone case freak, thank you. And then I have some other watches there, and that's it for my wardrobe. Now it comes down to my shoe rack. At the top of my shoe rack, I left my the second rug I have. This is the first rug, and that's the second rug. And then my shoes are like down. I don't really have that many shoes. Okay, heels, I don't have that many heels. I have an okay number of sneakers because I love sneakers, and then I just have my summer slippers and everything. And beside my shoe rack is this shelf. I'm sure you guys know this shelf from my YouTube videos. It's basically my background, so I kind of switched it up a bit now. I'm going to get something to put up here, but right now it's just my water bottle and my key. I know my key is like a lot. Anyways, yeah, I just have part of the shelf. I have like makeup, everything is makeup, basically my eyeshadows, some brushes, lipsticks, highlighter, powders, and the pencils and everything whatnot, basically most of my makeup stuff. And then here I have my body cream, my lotion, my body spray, my perfumes, my vitamins, and also I have my bobby pin case there. And also I have some extra makeup here. Initially my bags were here, but I changed it because I didn't like that my bags were getting dusty, so I put them in the wardrobe. And then I have my bin. I usually put my bin there. I think I should put it there and find something else to put here. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So yes, that's basically my room. This is my room. It's like really small, and that's how I style my room. Or this is how my room is. Oh, that's my light there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's the light. And yeah, from here this is what the room looks like. It's like really small. There's just a tiny space here, and yeah, so that's it. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. So I've come to the end of my video. This is my tiny mini room tour ish, I don't know. So I'm thinking of changing my wardrobe to a bigger one, and then moving the shoe rack here, and then putting the big wardrobe there. But I feel like my room would just look too congested. What do you guys think? Should I change the wardrobe, or should I just use this one? I feel I might use this one for a while, maybe until I move houses. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. So now you guys have seen what my room looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about my room. Would you stay in a small room? I actually really do not mind that my room is small. Like, it's very comfy and very nice to stay in. But yeah, okay, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.